Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Ibrahim, and today I'm walking you through how to transfer document from Google Drive to Microsoft Word. Full 2026 guide. If you've ever needed to move a file from Google Docs into a Word format for editing, sharing, or submitting somewhere, this guide will make the whole process super smooth. So let's get started. First, open up Google Drive and make sure you're on the home page. From there, head into Drive so you can see all your files in one place. Once you're inside, pick any document you want to transfer and open it so it loads in Google Docs. When the document is open, look to the top left corner and click on Dasche File Schießzau, which brings up a list of options you can use to export or manage the document. Inside that menu, select Download Outschieß which reveals all the available file formats you can save your document as. From the format list, choose Microsoft Word, Docs, and Google Docs will immediately prepare the file and download it directly to your computer as a fully compatible Word document. And that's all it takes to move your work from Google Drive into Microsoft Word quickly and cleanly. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new guide.